Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to save Instagram Reels drafts to Camera Roll. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to save your Instagram Reels or your Reels drafts to your Camera Roll here, this one's quite easy. So first things first is you want to open up Instagram here, and you want to access your account. Go and click on the plus button that you see at the top left of your screen. And in here, you want to go ahead and go to Reels or Reel, and you want to go and access the draft section. Now, go ahead and look for the draft that you may want to save. So you want to go and click on the pencil icon next to it at the right side. Now, you should be able to see all the tools or the things that you could edit or use to further enhance your video. But what you're looking for is going to be at the right side here. So scroll to the right and you should see the save button. So go and click on save. Click on save. You can go and click on save. You want to go and click on save to camera roll. It's going to start downloading the video itself, but once the video has been downloaded, you should be able to see it in your camera roll. So let's just wait for this one real quickly. So I'll be showing you exactly what I'm talking about. As you can see, video is saved. Let's go exit this one, and let's go and go to our gallery. And once we go in here, you should be able to see your video. As you can see right now, that's our video at the top left. But yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.